Need a home. The kids can bike to school. Look no more. Island Drive. Hey, it has island in the name. They got me. Of a cul-de-sac. So your little one, and has established neighborhoods. So your little one can actually be here with their bike, learning how to bike. If your dog runs out your front door, your dog's not going to immediately get whacked by a vehicle. I have a misbehaving dog. My dogs never listen to me. They always run. Grass is in pretty good shape. I do like that they did a good job with their landscaping too. Much better interior presence. It looks kind of small. Tree. Washer on one side, dryer on the other. This nice tile in the kitchen floor. Good, that's a new hot water heater. Yay! You got a wash tub. Looking good. I like that they have the tile put in. Whirlpool. Standard builder grade cabinets. Nothing. You get a hole to throw stuff in. At least all the appliances are matching. All Whirlpool. Stainless steel. It's all original. And you get the shutters already in. That's good. Ooh, check out the master. This is huge. Definitely can put a king size bed in here. And furniture. Having those blinds in already saves you money. We have to air condition our house non-stop. Easy to clean. Clorox and go. Closet. Oh wow, it just keeps going. Good size closet. Oh look, there's the flooring. You get an extra box of it. And you get a tub. Yay, that's always good. Toilet in a closet. I love those. Ooh, from your master you get to see your backyard. You get to yell at your puppy from the bed. So front door, and then if you go this way, you get your closet for the coats. I like the split level plan. Having a little bit of separation. Quiet office. Again, tile, granite, Nice thick granite too. This is not the cheap stuff. Bull nose. Decent sized closets. Carpet looks to be in good condition. No stains. And that's the only room there's carpet in. So that's an easy fix. All right. Oh, yes. They spent the money and put extra. Love it. You need the bigger concrete pad. And then having the cover over. Oh my gosh, it comes with a citrus tree. What are we growing here? What's behind the fence? You tell me, I can't see. Lots of woods. Okay guys, let me know your thoughts on this one, okay?